There's a cat on the sofa, and there's a telephone on a small table next to the sofa. There's a CD player with some CDs under it. Not a lot of CDs. There isn't a television, and there aren't any pictures or photographs on the walls. There's one lamp. It's next to the table with the telephone. There are 2 tables and 2 armchairs. There are some books under one of the tables.
Tape script 8.8. Sydney. How to have a good time in Sydney.
Sydney has everything you want in a city. It's beautiful. It has old and new buildings. There are fantastic beaches, and the food is delicious.
When to go?
The best times to visit are spring and autumn. In summer, it's very hot.
Where to stay?
There are cheap hotels in King's Cross. A room is about $50 a night. There are international hotels in the centre. Here, a room is about $150 a night.
What to do?
Sydney has theatres and cinemas, and of course the Opera House. The best shops are in Pitt Street. Go to the harbour. There are beaches, walks, parks and cafes, and of course the wonderful bridge. Sydney has the famous Bondi Beach. People go swimming, surfing, windsurfing and sailing. For nightlife, there are clubs and bars in Oxford Street.
What to eat?
There are restaurants from every country: Italian, Turkish, Lebanese, Japanese, Thai, Chinese and Vietnamese. Australians eat a lot of seafood. It's very fresh.
How to travel?
There are fast trains and slow buses. The best way to see Sydney is by ferry.
Tape script 8.9. My hometown.
G'day, my name is Darren, and I live in a house with my brother and a friend. We live in Bondi, and we all love surfing. We often go surfing in the morning before work. I'm an engineer. I work in the centre of Sydney for a big international company. I go to work by train. My office is in MacArthur Street, very near the harbour. On Monday, Wednesday and Friday, I go running at lunchtime. It's very hot in summer, but it's beautiful. I sometimes go with friends from work. We run near the Opera House. My girlfriend likes to go shopping on Saturday. There is a great market in Paddington, and there are some great clothes shops in Oxford Street. On Saturday night, we often go to Chinatown. The food is fantastic and really cheap. Or we stay in Bondi because there are a lot of really good little Thai and Italian restaurants here. I usually relax on Sunday. When the weather is good, we go to the beach, Manly Beach. We go by ferry. When it's wet, we go to the pub.
Tape script 8.10. Directions. 1.
Go down King's Road. Turn right at the Grand Hotel into Charles Street. It's next to the cinema.
2.
Go straight on, past Charles Street and past Park Lane. It's on the left, next to the supermarket.
3.
Go down King's Road. Turn right at the church. Go down Station Road. It's a big building on the right.
4.
Go down King's Road. Turn left at the bank into Charles Street. It's on the right, next to the theatre.
5.
Go straight on. It's on King's Road, on the left, next to the post office.
Unit 9. Tape script 9.1. 1,
1426.
2,
1799.
3,
1880.
4,
1939.
5,
1961.
6,
2007.
Tape script 9.2.
1841, 1916, 2000, 2008, 2015.
Tape script 9.3. When were they born?
Leonardo da Vinci was a painter and scientist. He was born in 1452 in Tuscany, Italy. Marie Curie was a scientist. She was born in 1867 in Warsaw, Poland.
Tape script 9.4.
He was a painter. He was born in 1452. She was a scientist. She was born in 1867. I was born in 1979.
Tape script 9.5.
When were you born?
I was born in 1986.
When was he born?
He was born in 1975.
When was she born?
She was born in 1991.
When were they born?
They were born in 2001.
Tape script 9.6.
My name's Calico. I know, it's a funny name. I was born in 1987. My two brothers are Henry and William. They were born, Henry in 1992 and William just 1 year later in 1993. They're horrible. My little sister is Cleo. She's okay. She was born in 1999. Mum and Dad are Linda and Alan. My mum was born in 1961 and my dad, I think he was born in 1961 too. And my grandmother, she was born in 1930 something, yeah, 1932. Her name's Violet. I think it's a beautiful name.
Tape script 9.7. 1,
Shakespeare was born in England in 1564.
2,
Van Gogh was born in Holland in 1853.
3,
Beethoven was born in Germany in 1770.
4,
Marilyn Monroe was born in the US in 1926.
5,
Elvis Presley was born in the US in 1935.
6,
Diana Spencer was born in England in 1961.
7,
Ayrton Senna was born in Brazil in 1960.
8,
Indira Gandhi was born in India in 1917.
Tape script 9.8.
Who was Shakespeare?
He was a writer.
Where was he born?
In England.
When was he born?
in 1564.
Tape script 9.9.
Shakespeare was a painter.
No, he wasn't. He was a writer.
Shakespeare and Diana were French.
No, they weren't. They were English.
Tape script 9.10. 1.
Ayrton Senna was an actor.
No, he wasn't. He was a racing driver.
2.
Marie Curie was a princess.
No, she wasn't. She was a scientist.
3.
Marilyn Monroe and Elvis Presley were Italian.
No, they weren't. They were American.
4.
Beethoven was a scientist.
No, he wasn't. He was a musician.
5.
Leonardo da Vinci and Van Gogh were musicians.
No, they weren't. They were painters.
6.
Indira Gandhi was a singer.
No, she wasn't. She was a politician.
Tape script 9.11.
Are. Were. Is. Was. Buy. Bought. Go. Went. Say. Said. See. Saw. Take. Took.
Tape script 9.12. We're millionaires.
In August 1999, 3 friends, Jacques Proust, Guy Fada and François Leclerc, were on holiday in the town of Larac in France. On Sunday they went shopping in the market and they saw a dirty old painting of the Virgin Mary. They bought it for 1,400 francs and they took it to Paris. In Paris, an expert said that the painting was by Leonardo da Vinci and it was worth 500 million francs. The man in Larac market said, "I was happy to sell the painting, but now I'm very upset. I don't want to think about it."
Tape script 9.13. Months of the year.
January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December.
Tape script 9.14.
First. Second. Third. Fourth. Fifth. Sixth. Seventh. Eighth. Ninth. 10th, 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th, 15th.
Tape script 9.15.
16th, 17th, 18th, 19th, 20th, 21st, 22nd, 23rd, 24th, 25th, 26th, 27th, 28th, 29th, 30th, 31st.
Tape script 9.16.
The 1st of January. The 3rd of March. The 7th of April. The 20th of May. The 2nd of June. The 12th of August. The 15th of November. The 31st of December.
Unit 10. Tape script 10.1. 1,
We're at school now.
2,
You were at home yesterday.
3,
I went to Australia in 1997.
4,
She lives in London now.
5,
They bought their house in 1997.
6,
It was cold and wet yesterday.
Tape script 10.2. Betsy.
Yesterday was Sunday, so I got up late, 11:30. I had a big breakfast, orange juice, toast, eggs and coffee. Then I went shopping to the supermarket and I bought some chocolate and a Sunday newspaper, the Sunday Times. In the afternoon, I listened to music for a bit and then I watched a film on TV. In the evening, I cooked a meal just for me. Not a big meal, just soup and a salad. I went to bed early. It was a lovely, lazy day.
Tape script 10.3.
Work. Worked. Watch. Watched. Cook. Cooked. Play. Played. Stay. Stayed. Listen. Listened.
Tape script 10.4.
Visit. Visited. Want. Wanted. Hate. Hated.
Tape script 10.5. Betsy and Dan.
Hi, Dan. Did you have a good weekend?
Yes, I did, thanks.
What did you do yesterday?
Well, yesterday morning I got up early and I played tennis with some friends.
You got up early on Sunday.
I know. I don't usually get up early on Sunday.
Did you go out yesterday afternoon?
No, I didn't. I just stayed at home. I watched the football on TV.
Ugh, football. What did you do yesterday evening?
Oh, I didn't do much. I worked a bit at my computer. I didn't go to bed late. About 11.
Tape script 10.6. 1,
Did you have a good weekend?
Yes, I did.
2,
What did you do yesterday?
I played tennis.
3,
Did you go out yesterday afternoon?
No, I didn't.
4,
What did you do yesterday evening?
I didn't do much. I didn't go to bed late.
Tape script 10.7.
Did you get up early?